Hello everyone, my name is Khan and welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you about inducement and how we can easily identify in a different time frame. If you are trading like 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, any time frame you can trade. In this video, I will show you exactly that how you can easily spot our inducement in a different time frame if you are following the higher time frame to lower time frame and which criteria marking our proper inducement. And also I will teach you that how we can easily spot where is our high probability PY when we can take for the buy and sell. I'm very sure about it that this video definitely help you a lot to understand that what is an inducement and can trade in an inducement in a different time frame. Once you understand that how inducement work, then you don't need to focus on other things. This make a very simple and it's set up in a very high quality. So let's see what happened next here, and I will show you exactly on chart, then you can understand more better and more easy. Right now in front of my screen you can see here this is a chart of the US30 in a 30-minute time frame, and if I ask you here that what happening here and what are you looking here in a Euro USD in a 30-minute time frame, you can see the momentum of the structure is showing bullish and everything is a bullish here. So when market momentum is a bullish and market taken out the inducement, then what are you looking here? Simply we are looking for the buy. If market tap on your PY and taken out the inducement, then we are interested for the buyers, right? So first of all, before to marking our inducement, you need to understand what is structure here and how we can easily spot our previous higher high, higher low and our PY. So this video is all about inducement and our PY identification, lower time frame execution. So look at this one. In this case, you can see here market momentum is a bullish. So when market momentum is a bullish, firstly you need to identify a specific zone just taken out the liquidity. Liquidity means you need to start from here. You can start from the top of the move and bottom of the move, marking our structure higher high and higher lows. In this case, you can see market momentum is a bullish. So when market momentum is a bullish, market taken out the liquidity and tap on them, then market create a continuation pattern right here. Okay, so this one is our previous higher high which was created here, right? And why this was here? Because market taken out the inducement, and once market taken out the inducement, then what happened? Market taken out the inducement and we are looking here for the buy after taking out the inducement and then continue go higher. And after that, what happened here? Market create new break of structure here, and once market create a break of structure, then what are you looking here? Simply we are looking for the continuation to the upside. So this is a very simple process to identify our trend direction. Once market taken out the inducement, then we can confirm our higher high, right? Now the next point is here that after taking out the inducement, finding our PY. So where is our inducement and where is our high probability PY? Look at this structure here. In this case, in the next attempt, what happened here? After break of structure, market create new higher high at this point right here, right? And where is our inducement? Inducement means first pullback is here, is taken out here, and after taking out the inducement, probably we are marking our higher high which was created here, right? So once market create higher high, and then what are you looking here? Simply we are looking for another break of structure, and this one is a confirm that we create another break of structure here. And after break of structure, what are you looking here? Simply again we are interested here for the buy after taking out the inducement and tap on unmitigated PY. So now I'm going to show you exactly that how we can identify our high probability PY and what is process here. Look at this one chart here. Now everything is a bullish here, simple. And look at this one. Firstly, you need to understand where is our inducement in this case. Look at this one. This structure here, everything is a here continuation going higher high and higher high, and finally what happened? Market taken out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement, simply you need to identify where is our high probability PY. In this leg, you can see here market just going higher high, but right now there is no high probability PY. Why? To define any high probability PY, you need to understand that which PY is a work for you. First of all, look at this one. In this diagram, why this PY is a work here and why market going higher high and why this one is a much high probability compared to the other one. Look at this one. After taking out this low, it means this low is a grab the liquidity. It means if market continuation higher high, this is our last selling move before the buy here, and market broke this one and came back this point and market, right? This is a simple process. This point grab the liquidity, this point grab the inducement, and then market came back on that point, and then market gives a momentum to the upside. Look at this one. Same thing happened here, because this was before this move. You can see here everything was bullish here. So if everything is a bullish here, taken out this inducement and go higher, and this zone become our high probability for buy here, right? So why? Because the inducement sweep here. So if inducement sweep, then this area become high probability for the buyers. In the next attempt, what happened here? Market just going higher high and creating upside move right here. And after taking out the inducement, what are you looking here? Simply we are looking here to identify our high probability PY, but there is a only normal structure here. So how you can deal in this situation? Firstly, you need to identify where is our PY. So there is no PY here. Simply if you can refine this point, because this is our extreme point here. So this is our last point here at this point, right? So maybe in a future market can tap here and then we can see some continuation to the upside. So this is a refinement version here of this order flow here. But technically you can see this order flow, this order block is mitigated by this candle right here. So it means there is any bullish order block is not. No, right now there is no bullish order flow, order block is here. So in this case, two scenarios are possible here. First one is here, market can main low here and then we can expect a continuation move to the higher. Why? I will show you exactly why I'm marking this as our as an inducement, right? And when we can expect next PY is here. This is our last PY is here, right here, because this area grab the liquidity and this area become high probability for the buyers. And once market taken out this one low and mitigate this one, and then we can continuation to the higher, because this move act like this one. Let me show you exactly. Look at this one. This is our complete structure here. I'm marking the complete structure. So what happened here? Market push downside and taken out this low and mitigate this zone and then expecting continue go higher, right? That's why this area become high probability for the buyers, right? So before this buy, what are you looking here and how we can deal in that situation? Look at this one. If market taken out the inducement, so how we can deal in this situation? After taking out the inducement, if price went up like this and then what happened? Price go higher, break the structure, came back on this point, and then we are interested here for the buy to the upside. So this become our next high probability area for the buyers. Even there is no PY here, but we can buy here because market taken out the inducement and also this inducement grab the liquidity and price came back on this point and then we are interested here for the buy to the upside. So this is a very simple way to identify our structure and inducement. Now the next point is here that how we can deal in a counter trend and how we can easily spot our counter trend inducement and how we can take risk for the buy and sell. Now look at this one. After taking out the inducement, we are looking for the buy. Either market taken out this low, either tap on PY. So there is no PY, so we are waiting here. If market taken out this low, then we can take risk here for the buy. But before this buy, you need to understand what is structure right now here. Look at this one. Market momentum is a bearish here. So if market momentum is a bearish in terms of the internal and external everywhere, this rule applicable for all time frame. So once market taken out the previous low, we are interested here for the sell. Again, what happened here? Break this low and we are interested here for the sell again. After taking out this inducement, we are interested here for the sell if market create here any lower time frame entry right here. Okay, so this is our actual structure here, like this is our inducement, and if market create here any lower time frame entry, we can sell here and put this low as a target right here. Again market went down and we need inducement, and then we can confirm that if market taken out this inducement right here and then create lower time frame entry, we can sell here, right? So this point become our internal structure here, means internal inducement taken out, and once market taken out the internal inducement, we can plan here for the sell, right? Okay, again market break this low, and after broke this low, again this is our internal structure. You need to understand this one, right? And in this internal structure, you can play in a both side of probability. Simply you need to understand which side market momentum going on, like bullish side and bearish side. So this was bearish and taken out this inducement, and we can plan here for the sell. And now the range between this high low is here, right? So between this high low, you need to understand that if market create here like any bearish or bullish structure here, and then again taken out the inducement, we can plan here for again sell here at this point till this, right? Because this is our internally between this one internal, because this is our internal and this is one is, you can say, like micro structure. So after that, what happened here? Look at this one. This is our inducement right here, and when we can take risk here for the sell, break the structure, again taken out the inducement, we are looking here for the sell if market create here any kind of inducement right now. And if you are thinking why not mark this as an inducement, because this one is not a valid inducement right now, because this one is not a valid pullback. That's why I did not mark this as an inducement. This is our actual inducement here, which must be taken out, and then we can plan here for the sell, right? So let's see what happened next here. And right now, what are you looking here? Simply you can see here this inducement fail here, and because the price is going higher high. So if market going higher high, so how we can deal in this situation? Simply you need to understand here what is this one. If market going higher high and market taken out the inducement, and then we can plan for the buy. So which point we can buy here? Simply you need to take here risk for the buy at this point, right? And if market create here any bullishness confirmation, then we can take short term buy to the upside, because this trend showing a bearish here. So if market create here any bullish confirmation, we can take risk here for the buy to the upside for the short term move here, right? So if market going downside right here, so we are planning here again market taken at any inducement, then we can plan again here for the sell, right? So let's see what happened next here after this one, and then what we can expect here. Look at this one. Market momentum is showing bearish here and continue trying to push downside. So if market momentum is a push downside here, simply you need to wait for it to take out the inducement, then we can plan here the sell. In this case, where is our inducement? Look at this one. Market momentum is a bearish here, right? Again push downside. It means this high must be taken out, and after taking out this inducement and possibly market mitigate this order block, then we can plan here for sell till this low here, right? So this is our first view when we are looking for the sell right here, okay? And also we need lower time frame confirmation. You don't need to sell here directly. So let's see what happened next here after this one, and what we can expect after this move. Right now price trying to go higher right here, and market not break this one. Let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, market just trying to go higher. So right now what happened here? Look at this structure here. Market taken out the inducement. First this was inducement, and now market again went down, and this is our next inducement right here, right? And this point become our next inducement, and after taking out the inducement, what are you looking here? Simply we are looking here for the sell, because market showing some bearish indication. Market taken out the previous pullback here, and then we are interested here for the sell. If you are thinking that why I did not mark this inducement, because this one is our also a failed pullback here, right? But look at this one. This is important, right? Look at this structure here. This one is our first pullback here. Even this one is also not a valid pullback, because market not create here proper a valid pullback here, because the previous candle high is not confirmed here. So market just push downside and take a pullback, another pullback in a downside, and then what happened here? If market create here between this higher low, means this previous higher low, so this is our internal, right? So if market create between this higher low, this move count as an internal inducement and internal structure right here, right? So simply you need to wait for it to take out the actual higher low which was created here like this one, and then what happened here? Market push downside, right? So this is happening here, and market taken out this inducement, and then we are planning here for the sell. You don't need to plan here for the sell after taking out this inducement, because this one is a not part of this actual pullback here, because this one is a not actual move right here. This is a part of this between high or low, right? So if market create between this high or low, so this count as a micro structure. You don't need to buy or sell. I think maybe you feel like looks like a very complicated, but this is a very simple here, right? If you are not understanding this one, simply you can watch multiple this video, because this is a this one is a very important for you. If you understand this one, then you can spot our inducement and easily spot our entry criteria. This will definitely help you a lot. And after that, what happening here? This inducement is taken out, and we are interested here for the sell. Why we are looking here for sell? Because major structure showing bearish here. I'm talking about this internal structure. Again taken out the inducement, and we are interested here for the sell. Even there is no PY mitigation, nothing here, but we can take risk here for the buy, but we need a lower time frame confirmation. We are already in a 30-minute time frame. We need to switch here in a 5-minute time frame, and if you are using like 15-minute, then you can use 2-minute time frame, and also you can use 1-minute time frame for the lower time frame confirmation. In this case, this is our higher time frame inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, price must be break the first pullback is here. So where is our first pullback? This low. So if market break this one, and this move act like a chalk. And why this is a chalk? Because the higher time frame inducement taken out, market push downside and taken out the chalk, and then market take any inducement, and then we can plan here for the sell, right? So let's see what happened next here. And I want to mention one more thing is here. In this inducement, price just close above it in a 15-minute time, in a 30-minute time frame. So if price close above the inducement, then we need a lower time frame as well as before the buy or sell. If market taken out the inducement in a higher time frame and just sweep the previous higher low, in that case you don't need to wait for inducement before the buy or sell, right? You can directly buy or sell because higher time frame liquidity already. So let's see what happened next here after this one and what we can plan after this, right? The previous low is a broke here. So once market broke this low, it means the structure is a shift bullish to bearish here, because this was bullish move here and now shift into bearish, and now we are again trying to sell here after taking out the inducement. So where is our inducement? Pullback is our, because pushing downside again we need inducement, and then we can plan here the sell right here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. We can plan here the sell, right? So now you can see here the previous structure is taken out the inducement. So once market taken out the inducement, we can plan here for the sell. And also you need to note one more thing is here. There is any unmitigated order block, order flow is available here? No. There is no PY, there is no order block, there is no imbalance here. Everything is mitigated here. But we can sell here. Why? Because inducement sweep here. If market inducement, we can plan here for the sell on this bearish candle here, right? But you can put the stop loss just of it for the safer side right here. And where is our target? Look at this one. And also one more thing you need to understand here. After taking out the inducement, price must be create some bullish to bearish candlestick confirmation here before the buy or sell, because there is no PY. If PY mitigate here, then we can enter for PY and order block in a lower time frame is right. But if there is no lower time frame order block, order flow is here, so simply we can sell after taking out the inducement. If sweep, then we can sell here. And also you can put the stop loss just of it, but this is not a safer stop loss. That's why put the stop loss just of the high, and this is our safer stop loss. And where is our target? Target, at least you can plan here the previous low as a first target here, and also you can plan here for the max target is here previous. And where is our maximum target here? You can plan this zone as a maximum target right now here, okay? Because this point we can see some bullish confirmation, we can see some bullish pullback to the upside, right? And then what happened? The next process will be continue if market taken out the inducement, and then we can buy or sell, right? But right now you need to think about the current situation here. So market taken out the inducement, lower time frame confirmation here, and we can set this zone as a target right here, okay? And also you can set this low as a main target is here, right here, okay? So let's switch here again in a 5-minute time frame to see exactly what happened here after this one. Price taken out the inducement, and then what happened here? Market pushed downside in a downside right here. This low is a hit here as I mentioned, and now you can take partial here. You can also set our take profit here, okay? And where is our next? This one right here, okay? But already we are close here almost 3.5 hour, right? So this TP is hit here, and this is our exactly how you can catch our sharp. When you catch this move, then market keeps a sudden move to the downside and an upside, but simply you need to identify our inducement in a high frame to lower time. After that I will show you few more example. After that what happened here in a Euro USD. Look at this one, market just pushing downside right here. Now you can see here this PY is a mitigate here, and where is our next PY, and when we can mark our next inducement, when we can take risk here for the sell. Look at this one. In this case you can see this is our only one pullback is here. If market taken out this pullback here, and then we can plan here for the next sell setup here, right? Before this inducement you need to check here what happening. Look at this. This is our strong move to the downside like this one. And then what happened? This is our internal structure here between this one like this, right? So it means this is our internal between this high, right? So again market sweep this high and also create here any lower time frame confirmation. We can take risk here for the sell because this one is a sweep. If close of it, then you don't need to take entry here for the sell. You need to wait for it to take out of this inducement, and then market create here any lower time frame confirmation. Then we can plan here for the sell right here. So let me show you exactly what happened here. In this case, once market taken out this inducement and also market taken out the internal inducement right here, simply you can understand like this. If you are facing any kind of like problem to identifying our inducement, you need to understand where is our structure. If market creating like this structure, taken out the pullback, right? This is a liquidity grab here. And then at this point, market create any lower time frame confirmation, we can plan here for the sell, right? This is a simple way to identify inducement, and this process is applicable in every time frame, like micro, major, minor, everywhere, right? So let's see what happened next here after this one. The previous high is a sweep here. You can switch here in a lower time frame, again in 5-minute time frame, and then we can plan here for the sell, right? So firstly, you need to understand where is our chalk here. Look at this one. The previous high, just if market sweep the previous high low, means inducement sweep a higher low, then we can plan here for the sell after create a chalk. So this low is a must be taken out. If market taken out this one, and then we can plan here the sell, because the previous structure was created already grabbed the liquidity, that's why, and also taken out the liquidity in a higher time frame. So if market broke this low, we can plan here the sell right here. Okay, so like see, right, you can see here the market broke the previous low, means the market create chalk here, and we can plan here the sell. And where is stop loss? Just not here, right? And where is our target or similar the previous, you can see. And after that, what happened here? Look at this one, and let's, okay, market just trying to push downside right here, again market point. Okay, so in this case right now you can see here market taken out the inducement, and this inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, what are you simply we are looking here for the sell, because this is our higher time frame, like is an internal structure, as you know. But internal, the previous structure is a sweep here, the previous lows are broken, and we can sell here, put the stop loss just over it, again pushing downside, taking out the inducement, and we are looking here for sell. At this point we can sell here and put the stop loss just over it, because the high, our actual stop loss is here, right? Again trying to go higher, market was bullish here and break this, means this inducement taken out, break this low, means act like a chalk. This is a not inducement right here. Taken out the pullback, we can again plan here for the sell, put the stop loss just off, right? Now market again pushing downside, and now you can pushing downside, and this is our actual low when we can our target. Okay, so I hope you understand that how things actually working. Let me explain one more thing in our 15-minute time frame. Now you can see easily that how things actually working. Simply you need to understand that where is market going on. If market momentum is a bullish and market taken out the previous pullback, and then market break the high, then you can plan for the buy. Simple. This is a very simple process to identify a structure, and bearish and bullish, or like pullback and your PY, everything like this one. If market going higher high and taken out the previous pullback is here, so this zone act like a PY, so this zone become PY, price type here the buy. Again break this one, like here break this one, and market came back this point, we can again plan here. Simple. Again, what happened here? Market taken out the inducement, our next. But before this PI mitigation, market came back to the higher. It means the structure was bearish and now trying to go higher, means the bullish. So you need to understand this is a not structure shifting. This one is our inducement. So you need to prepare here for the sell, right? You can plan here for the sell till this, right? So I hope you understand that how things actually working in a different time frame, like higher time frame to lower time frame, and which criteria you should follow before to marking inducement in different time frame. I'm very sure about this video that you will learn a lot of new things, that how you can mark our inducement and structure our PUI, everything. So if you are not understand any topic, anything, simply you can watch this video multiple times. I'm very sure about it. If you understand all about the inducement, then you can trade very easily in a smart money concept. So thank you so much everyone to watching entire video, and if you are new, join our free Telegram channel, link in description, and also you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more regular videos. So thank you so much everyone to watching the entire video. Have a nice day and have a nice great weekend. Happy trading.